On a loose lint filter catch holder. Instead of cleaning these, people just take these apart like so, clean out all the stuff. Right? But every once in a while these start holding really loose and start falling out of there. What you can do is just take the prongs and just bend these prongs out a little bit. You do all 4 of them, gives you, the option there. Just bend those out a little bit. And that'll just make it hold a little bit better, a little bit stronger. See? Now it's nice and firm. Makes it feel newer. Done deal. Nice and strong. Okay, laundry filter catch. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.